Hi. So now let us see another application. So that is finding the keys of a relation. So that is what the second application of a closure, right? So now how you can find out the keys? That is nothing but finding the finally candidate keys. Okay. So that is very simple. If you see for any attribute X closure, if you find is a set of all attributes that can determine using X actually. So this is normal discussion, like how to find the closure. And we are going to get a one set, right? So we are going to get set of attributes. If that set contains all attributes of a relation, then X we can call as a super key. Okay. So that is what you see. First of all, you are going to find the X closure. Then we are going to get a some set. If this set contains all attributes of a relation, then we are going to call that X as a super key. And further, if you see, if X is minimal set, okay, that means if you remove any attribute from the set, still if you are able to get the same derivation, then that is not minimal. That means reducible is possible. But if you remove any attribute from the given set, and if you are not able to derive all attributes, that is irreducible set. That is what minimal set. Then such a minimal set X calling as candidate key. So that we can find out very easily. So this is what first of all meaning. So these two sentences meaning you will get the more clarity once after doing this example. So this is what the given table. In this table, we have to find out the possible keys actually, possible candidate keys. How and all. So let us try individually. So single attribute you take, try to find out the it's a key closer actually. So for that, I am going to take A first, A closer. What is A closer? So A individually you can write down. And then A is deriving B, add B here. And because B is there in the set already, B deriving C, add that. Observe that X closure, if you find that closure contains all attributes. Yes, A closure contains all attributes in the relation. So you can take A as a candidate key. So let it be. Now find out B closure also. Is B deriving all attributes? So B itself and B deriving C. And no other attribute, right? It is deriving. So because it is not deriving all attributes, B is not a candidate. And next C closure also, if you try, C is deriving C only. Nothing is there because there is no C in the LHS part. So let it be. So this is what if you observe, uh, candidate key, if you see, candidate key is what actually only A. It is deriving all attributes. Now, if you come to this part, super key part. So why it is calling super key? So super key definition we already seen. For the candidate key A, if you add any attributes, that may be a B, that may be a C, then that will derive automatically all attributes in the relation that you can cross-check. And now try to understand this meaning, minimal set. This is the minimal set. This is the minimal set, but this is not the minimal set. Because even if I remove B also, I am getting ABC. Even if I remove C also, I am getting ABC. These two, A, B, A, C, are super keys actually. So its a minimal form is actually a candidate. So try to understand this differentiation, very important. So in this way, simply we can find out the candidate keys. So simple, any attribute or combination of attributes closure, if they are giving all attributes in the relation, then that closure is calling as a candidate key. For that candidate key, you add any attribute, definitely that is deriving all other attributes in the relation. Then those are calling as a super keys actually. So that keys definition wise we've seen already. Okay. So let us practice one more thing. Try to find out the candidate keys. So now in this example, you can try what are the candidate keys. Okay. So here, if you see individually A closer, if you try to find out, we are getting A only. Is it or not? And B closer, if you try to find out, we are getting B only. B and D actually. See here from this FD. Further is not possible. So C closer, if you find C only. D closer, if you find D only, we are getting. So with a single attribute closer, we are unable to find all the attributes in the relation. So let us go for the combination of two actually. So let us try to find out A, B closer. If you try to find out the A, B closer, A individually, B individually, and A, B is deriving C, that A, B is already there in the set, C actually, and B deriving D, so B already there. Yes, this is deriving all attributes in the relation. So this is one candidate key. Let us take another possible keys actually. So that is what, for example, BC closer, if you take BC closer. So B and C fine, B is deriving D fine, but A is not deriving. See, from this what you can say is simply observe the RHS part, observe the RHS part. Out of all attributes in the relation, which attributes are not there in the RHS? C is there, D is there, but A is not there, B is not there. Simple thumb rule when you are finding the candidate key. In the RHS of all attributes, whichever attributes are not there, you just note down here. So A is there? No. In any of FD's RHS part, A is not there. Same way, B is also not there. C is there? Yes, there. D is there? Yes, there. So these are the attributes definitely part of candidate key. That is the simple thumb rule. So what are all attributes not there in any FD's RHS part? All those attributes, combine them, those attributes definitely part. And after that, you may have any other attributes, may have. But in this case, that is why A, B closer, if you try to find out first, that is what it is deriving all attributes, right? So candidate key is AB. And of course, super keys are AB. For the AB, you add either C or D or ABCD. Definitely AB must be there. So this is what actually finding the candidate key is for this given relation R. Okay. So in this way, the thumb rule is this here just practiced, but here now onwards, you have to go like this to get the answer very in less time. What are all attributes not part in the any of FD's RHS? Then collect all those attributes, find out their closure first of all. Or simply you can say those attributes definitely part of candidate key. So here only one candidate key is possible. That is AB. Okay.